The missile rose from the ocean like a bolt of lightning. For a few seconds, the sky above the Western Pacific turned into fire. Military satellites immediately detected the launch. Within moments, alarms began ringing across naval command centers. Because this was not just another missile test. This was a message from China, and the target could be the fleets of NATO. The test happened in the tense waters of the South China Sea, a region already packed with warships, submarines, and surveillance aircraft. In recent months, naval patrols from the United States Navy had increased dramatically. Carrier strike groups were moving through contested waters. Destroyers were running freedom of navigation operations, and military analysts believed something bigger was.
Radar systems across the Pacific locked on to the object instantly. The missile climbed rapidly into the upper atmosphere. Its speed shocked analysts. This was no ordinary anti-ship missile. Early intelligence suggested it could strike targets hundreds of kilometers away, possibly even aircraft carriers. For naval commanders, this changed everything. Inside a NATO command center, large radar screens lit up. Satellite feeds began tracking the missile's trajectory. Analysts worked rapidly. The missile appeared to simulate an attack against a moving naval target. That meant one thing: it was designed to hunt warships and possibly defeat existing naval defenses. Within hours, fleets across the region went into alert mode. A United States Navy destroyer group activated advanced radar systems. Aegis missile defense systems began scanning the sky. Submarines quietly shifted positions beneath the waves. Carrier strike groups adjusted their patrol routes, because if the missile worked as designed, it could threaten the most powerful ships on Earth. Military planners now faced a dangerous question. Could this new missile slip through defensive shields? Modern warships rely on layers of protection: radar tracking, interceptor missiles, electronic warfare. But hypersonic or advanced maneuvering weapons could change the balance at sea. And if deployed in large numbers, even the most powerful fleets could face serious risk. Across the Pacific Ocean, naval tension quietly increased. More surveillance aircraft entered the skies. More submarines moved silently through deep water, and fleets from the NATO began preparing for a new era of naval warfare. Because the missile test was not just a demonstration, it was a signal. The next generation of sea battles may already be here, and every navy in the world is now watching closely.